To stay up talking until 2 a.m. Just a couple kids, young and carefree. That was back when both of us could still sleep in. It's funny how it feels like ancient history.
雅宝生日快乐，我们爱你哦！
雅宝姐姐生日快乐，出国加油
！Living room, turn it up and feel the wood floor shaking. We didn't know how quickly we would trade that tune for the sound of lullabies and babies. Ooh, it's a new normal. Change is coming to the old routine. Ooh, it's a new normal. A different season, but the same dream. We brought her home when she was only 2 weeks old. Questions and confusion started swirling. We didn't know how much that extra chromosome would become an unexpected.
生日快乐，我们爱你，我们爱你。祝雅宝生日快乐！
When I look back, I see all these changes are changing me, and every day I'm learning how to love routine. And ooh, it's a new normal, a different season, but the same